Yep, there's his Lamborghini. What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Super exciting. We hit 100,000 subscribers. Actually, that happened yesterday. We're almost already at 101,000 subscribers because it's going to start growing faster and faster. That's that momentum I always tell you about, how you'll get to a certain point, everybody sees it, you have social proof, and you'll consistently keep growing. That's why after you reach a certain point, it just seems to happen overnight, right? We're going to go to 200,000 easy, super easy. Watch it happen. Fuck you, plane. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna update you guys really quick. Anybody who's signing up for the A&R list right now, the site hasn't been operational for like the last month because we had to send it off. We had to get somebody else to fix it up to get the site speed up so it's faster when you guys go to this site. Everything downloads faster. All the courses are easier to access and take, and the community is going to be just faster so everybody can be on there. We're all working as a team, as a community, right? So, when do we get that back?
Less than 24 hours.
Okay, so we'll have that back in less than 24 hours. He's gonna audit the site and make sure all the courses are running and everything's good. We should be launching in the next 2 weeks, okay? So everything's gonna be up. I have all these new courses. I finished a new course yesterday, okay? I mean, everything. We have everything. How to build your website, how to book shows for yourself, marketing courses, rap flow, rap voice. I mean, there's almost 30 courses on there, okay? And some of them are my top courses that are some of the highest rated courses on the internet for like Instagram marketing, stuff like that. Anyway, that's super exciting. And then I wanted to show you guys this. So we got, because I'm starting to release a new single a month too now because I'm back in gear. Now that Smart Rapper Community is going to be launching, I can start releasing my music again. I have my next 18 singles ready. We're about to shoot the new music video for it tomorrow. We got my boys, we got a castle we're shooting in. That's it right there. That's the fucking house. What in the bro? What is this? The Crypt Keeper? What the castle, bro? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Is that really it? Holy shit, bro! Is that really it, bro? Oh my god, this shit is enormous. And we're coming here to decide if we want to shoot spray here. To make sure see if it's the right. Yep, there's this Lamborghini. Oh, this boy. He would have the roof. Oh, he's probably driving that shit right now. Shit hard. All right, I keep you updated. Girls right here for the video. We need a specific kind of girl. Give me a picture of the other girls too. Hey, Bars. What's she doing? And then, okay, yeah, you would pull that up. She's such a perv. Can I have a picture of her face? Jesus.
I don't want to show her boobies.
I don't care about the boobies. Oh yeah, you can't show that. You can't show that. She just has some nudity in there. Just give me. There you go. Right. So this is the type of girl we wanted for this video. You're gonna see is from my new single, Spray. Okay, you're gonna see though. Super freaking excited for this. All right, so stay tuned for this information. I'm also I have a video that shows you how I'm actually marketing spray. A lot of sneaky ways. I'm gonna give up some of my secrets, not all of them, but I'm gonna give up some of them that's gonna make you think, oh shit, that's a really good way to market. Okay, free low cost strategies, right? And then also, I don't know. Thank you all so much for getting us to this point. All right, I'm gonna give you guys behind the scene footage on the music videos, all the other videos, the editing behind the scenes, all this stuff right there, so you can learn from the process and everything like that. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get to 200,000, and then when we hit 200,000, we'll get to 500,000. You know what I'm saying? Thanks again. I super appreciate you. Thanks for being part of the Smart Rapper Gang. We're gonna get back to work on getting this community up and running for you guys and girls, so that you can actually get all this stuff. If you signed up for this stuff and you weren't getting it, that was why. Okay, but you will be able to get it. Don't worry. Okay, the links are gonna be below. You're gonna be able to get all of this stuff. A lot of it's free. Okay, just bear with me. We'll have it out. Hoping the next 2 weeks. I've been building this for years. You know what I'm saying? Spent a lot of money to get this going. So see you guys tomorrow with another video. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for 100,000. Let's keep going. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel because I'm at like 115,000 on there. I'll write up at a link below. I appreciate y'all. See you tomorrow. Smart Rapper Gang.